Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to solve a problem which came in the year 2019 in JAM Biotechnology paper. Here the question is, which of the points P equal 3 by 2 half, Q equal half 3 by 2, R equal 3 by 2, 11 by 2 and S equal 11 by 2, 3 by 2 lies above the parabola y equal to x square and inside the circle x square plus y square equal 4. Options are A equal P, B is Q, C is R, D S. Okay. So first of all, here we have the equation of the circle as x square plus y square equal 4, right? So x square plus y square equal 4. That implies that x square plus y square is equal to 2 square, right? And this is actually r square, that means the radius square. This 2 implies this 2 is the radius of the circle, that is we can write that radius of the circle is equal to 2 given. Okay. Now let us draw the circle here first. Suppose this is the circle whose radius is 2, okay, whose radius is 2. That means this point is plus 2 along x axis. This is y axis, this is negative x axis and this is negative y axis, right? So, and this is the origin, that is 0, 0. Okay, so along x axis this point is 2, along minus x axis this point is minus 2, this point is plus 2 along y axis and this point is minus 2 along minus y axis, right? That's how the circle has the radius of 2. Okay. Now there is an equation of a parabola, right? The equation of the parabola is y equal to x square. That means its nature is like this. This is the nature of the parabola. Okay. See here, if we put x equals 0, okay, y equal to x square, right? So in this equation, if we put x equals 0, we get y equals 0. X equals 0 implies y equals 0, right? So from here we get that the parabola touches the origin. Okay. And similarly the pattern of the parabola is like this. Okay, like this suppose. Okay. So now we have the point P equal 3 by 2 comma half. Okay. P is equal 3 by 2 comma half. That is, we can write this point as 1.5 comma 0.5, right? Q, the point Q is half comma 3 by 2. That means we can write it as 0.5 comma 1.5. Okay, next point is R equal 3 by 2 comma 11 by 2. That is 1.5 comma 11 by 2 is 5.5, right? Next is S. S equal 11 by 2 comma 3 by 2. That is equal 5.5 comma 1.5. Okay, now among these 4 points, see here which are inside the circle. First is inside the circle. Let us check which points among these 4 points are inside the circle. Okay, see here the point R equal 1.5 comma 5.5. Can this point be inside the circle? No, right? Why? Because here x is 1.5 but y is 5.5. That means the point would be somewhere here. Okay, because if 1.5 is somewhere, like if it is 1 along x axis, then 1.5 is this point is 1.5, right? Positive 1.5. so if we go above it and we will reach somewhere like here as y equal 5.5. that means somewhere here is the point R, which is of course outside the circle. It is not inside the circle. Okay, now next is S, the point S, which is 5.5 comma 1.5. Similarly, it cannot be inside the circle because here x is equal to 5.5. that means if we go, if this point is y equal 1 and this is y equal 1.5, so if we go along this way, okay, somewhere here would be the point S, which is of course outside the circle. So these 2 points would be eliminated first. Okay, these 2 points would be eliminated first. Now let's go to the rest 2 points, that is p equal 3 by 2 comma half and q equal half comma 3 by 2. Okay, so let's check first for p equal 3 by 2 comma half, that is 1.5 comma 0.5. so for x equal 1.5 we will have y equal 0.5, that is somewhere here it is 0.5, y is 0.5, so the point would be here. This point is P, which we can see it is below the parabola y equal 2x square according to our drawing. Okay, but we want above the parabola, Okay, so let's see if our drawing is correct and if the point Q is above the parabola or not. Okay, if Q is above the parabola, then Q will be our answer, not P. So let's see first. So Q, here we have 0.5 comma 1.5. okay, so for 0.5 this is x equal 0.5, right, and y equal is 1.5, that means this point. So this is the point Q. Okay, this is the point Q, which is definitely above the parabola. Remember one thing, if there was mentioned in the question in spite of above the parabola, if it was on the parabola, then you would check x and y of the given point, that is the coordinate of the given point, by putting the coordinate into the equation if it is satisfied or not, right? But here it is not the case, because here we need if the point is above the parabola or not. Okay, if it is above the parabola or below the parabola. Okay, so it is the point Q is above the parabola, not below the parabola, but the point P is below the parabola, not above the parabola, right? Here it is clear by our drawing. I hope if the parabola is like this also, if it was like this also, okay, then also it P will be below the parabola, not above the parabola, right? So here the correct answer is Q, okay, not P. P is not the point, Q is our point. That is how here our correct answer is option B, Q. Okay, so I hope you could understand, and again there is another option to check your check this by putting this half and 0.5. okay, if we put this P and Q, okay, if we put this P and Q in this circle, in the equation of the circle, let's see what we get. We get 3 by 2 square plus half square, right? That is equal 9 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 10 by 4, that is 5 by 2, right? So here it is 5 by 2, which is equal to 2.5. okay, 2.5. okay, that means we can write root over 2.5 square. okay, root over 2.5 square. So here the radius of the circle which have the which have the equation as 3 by 2 square plus half square equal root over 2.5 square is, the radius is here root over 2.5, right? That means the circle would be like this. okay, and if you put in place of P, if you check it with Q, you will get the same equation, just these two will be interchanged, because in case of P and Q, this X and Y are interchanged, right? So this is a circle which have radius 2.5 root over 2.5. okay, and P and Q both falls on the same circle. okay, P and Q both falls on the same circle which have the radius of root over 2.5, that is less than 2. okay, and from there you can see that Q would be above the parabola and P would be below the parabola. okay, so Q is again our final answer, that is option B is our final answer. I hope you could understand this solution. If you have any doubt regarding this solution, you can tell me in the comment section. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share this video with your friends, and if you are a new viewer today, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ta-da!